everyone, I hope you're all very well. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am sharing with you how I transformed my kitchen cupboards on a very small budget. So originally these cupboards were like a horrible brown colour with completely different handles, but I used some of the white shiny DC Fix-It to go over the top of them, and it was so simple, so easy to do, and I'm going to share with you exactly how I got on doing it and exactly how easy it is. So all I used was a little craft knife, and you can get these little packs, something to smooth out the plastic and a little knife, and it took me no longer than an hour. It was really simple, and I'm really happy with the results. So yeah, it's not perfect, but it will certainly do for now, and I hope you enjoy it. So sit back, grab a drink, and I will show you exactly how I got on doing my kitchen makeover. Bye. So the first thing I did was take off the cupboard doors and the cupboard handles. Now I know that they're already white. This is because I had previously painted them with some cupboard paint, which worked great for a while, but they have gone quite discoloured. So this is the reason for me covering them with the vinyl, just to give them a shinier, fresher look. I'm just making sure that they are really clean and dry. So this is the little smoothing tool that I have, along with this little knife. You can buy these. I think I got mine off Amazon as a pair together. And they are the only tools that I used for this. I didn't use a ruler or anything. I just did it all by eye. So I'm just cutting how much I need just from, like I say, just by eye. And I only covered the cupboard fronts. I didn't do the inside as well, and that was because I didn't know how much I was actually going to need of the roll. I didn't want to run out. And eventually I do hope to replace the whole of the kitchen in a completely different design, so I really don't mind what the cupboards look like on the inside, as long as it looks nice on the outside. That is fine with me for now. So yeah, just cutting off all the excess, as long as I've got enough to cover the fronts and to go around the edges. That is what I'm after. And then I'm just peeling back a piece of the sticky back plastic. You don't want to take it all off at once, because then you can get in a real mess with it. So I'm just doing a little bit at a time. And then using my little smoothing tool, I'm just going to slowly peel off the backing and smooth as I go. Honestly, so easy. If you do get any air bubbles, the smoothing tool does do a good job of getting them out, or if you really struggle to get one out, you can gently pull back the plastic and just start again. So the product I bought was around £23 from Amazon, and it was by Ray and Blue, and it was called the Kitchen Cupboard Doors Units Wall Drawers Covered Self-Adhesive Gloss Matte. And yeah, it's really thick, really good quality. I have loads left over as well. I don't have the biggest kitchen, but I do have a lot left over from doing 5 cupboards and 1 drawer. So now I am just going to smooth it round the edges, turning it over. Using my little smoothing tool again, making sure that it's all stuck down on the sides. And then I am just going to cut off the excess. So I used the line of the cupboard as my ruler. I could get a really straight edge just by following along there, and it was a really neat finish. Obviously, like I say, I only covered the fronts, but if you wanted a much more flawless look, then obviously do the whole of the cupboard, would work much better. And then I just cut down the edges to this is excess again that I'm going to cut off at the end. And just doing the bottoms of the cupboard, same again, just cutting off all the excess. And then I'll just cut off those little flappy bits on the edges and make sure that it is all smooth and that there's no air bubbles. And then the only thing left to do is to put the handle back on. These handles were really inexpensive. I got a pack, I think they're off Amazon, it was a long time ago, but I will try to link something similar. Just a real quick, cheap makeover, and I am so pleased with it. And then all that's left to do is to put it back onto the cupboard. And there you go, guys. It took me no more than an hour. I also did the sides of the cupboards all round just to make sure that everything was the same colour. And yeah, really inexpensive, quick makeover. And I'm really pleased with it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you again for my next one. Bye!